What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another very important market update. If you enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so I first just want to start out by talking about this tweet that I posted yesterday. So for everyone panicking about ETH right now, Ethereum is currently retesting the 21-day EMA on the 3-month chart. ETH has never closed a candle beneath this level. We are either about to witness history or we are very close to bottoming. Be very careful panic selling. Now, if we look at the Ethereum chart, you can see that absolutely nothing has changed. This is the 3-month chart for Ethereum, and you can see that this is the 21-day moving average, and we have never lost this level. Yes, we did break beneath it for a little bit, but we have never closed beneath the level. And you can see that we actually came down and touched this level perfectly. So naturally, when I'm seeing a chart that looks like this, it tells me we're probably pretty close to bottoming. Now, obviously, there are going to be a lot of people who are extremely bearish on the crypto market right now. And there are always going to be people who are going to bet against history. But history says that we get a bounce, as again, we have never closed beneath this level. And then you look at the stochastics, and the stochastics are extremely oversold on the 3-month time frame. If you look at the 1 month, you can see the stochastics are yet again extremely oversold. If you look at the 1-week chart, you can see that the stochastics are yet again extremely oversold. You look at the 3-day time frame, the stochastics and RSI yet again extremely oversold. You look at the 2-day, the exact same thing. Extremely oversold RSI, extremely oversold stochastics. I'm telling you right now, Ethereum looks primed for some sort of a bounce. Right now, it's very difficult for a lot of people to see the bigger picture, but we are extremely oversold on nearly every single time frame. Go back and look through the history of Ethereum, and we have bounced every single time that this has been the case. Oversold stochastics right here, strong breakout. Oversold stochastics right here, nice breakout. Oversold stochastics right here, another very nice breakout. Just back test it through the history of Ethereum. Every single time we've had a strong bounce. And if you look at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin's no exception. Bitcoin also is getting hammered right now. But what actually is somewhat refreshing to see about Bitcoin is that it did close the CME gap. I was telling you guys about this in my previous videos. But the worry is that Bitcoin had this massive green candle on a Sunday, which created a huge CME gap. And CME gaps have a very high fill rate. So personally, I'd rather see it get filled quickly. But what's so interesting about this market right now is it just continues to dump and dump and dump. And the reason that's interesting is because there's so much bullish news happening. Just yesterday alone, Congressmen to launch an advanced pro-crypto legislation. The SEC drops Kraken lawsuit. U.S. Senate to vote this week on repealing IRS rule threatening crypto and DeFi. Even anti-Bitcoin Peter Schiff admits Bitcoin is digital gold. And right now you look at price action and it does not match all of the bullish news at all. That right there tells me that there's a lot of manipulation going on. And I've been telling you guys about Wintermute for a long time, but I still recommend that you look into it. You can see exactly what's happening on chain. But honestly, there's not a whole lot for me to say right now. Because Bitcoin and Ethereum are getting hammered, there are a lot of amazing discounts in the market right now. And again, from a technical analysis standpoint, we are oversold on nearly every single time frame. If I were you guys, I would be very careful panic selling right now. Of course, there's always a chance that it gets worse before it gets better, but eventually everything is going to turn around. Even just looking at this massive green candle, I understand that it got sold off, but many people were not expecting this candle to open at 86,000 and close at 94,200. But that just shows you how fast crypto can move when it's ready to move. Be prepared for anything in this market. All of that being said though, if you guys are interested in joining a like-minded community and getting into projects super early, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But we've been making huge gains this entire bull run, and we're here for everything. We're here for the pumps, the dumps, literally everything. As you guys know, my Discord's only 1 year old, and we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put this in perspective, a $1,000 investment into any one of these projects could have turned into over $200,000. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys think the market's about to reverse. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.